As part of Black History Month, in cooperation with the Today Show's Changemakers series, LEX18 anchor Dia Davidson brings us this conversation on faith during the COVID-19 storm. Today, she has words of encouragement, strength, and reality from Louisville's very own Dr. Kevin Cosby.
The COVID-19 pandemic has hit the Kentucky population, families, businesses very, very hard. And a lot of people are hurting. A lot of people are suffering. And in light of that, and this month, we wanted to get a chance to get a little bit of spiritual help from one of the main men here in Kentucky. That would be Dr. Kevin Cosby. He is the president of Simmons College of Kentucky in Louisville, as well as senior pastor of St. Stephen's Baptist Church, also in Louisville. Dr. Cosby, thank you. Everyone in some kind of way has been touched.
There's nothing in the Christian faith that warrants serving God somehow exempts us from trouble, from problems, from pandemics. And when trouble comes, we become disillusioned, we become angry with God because we have held God to promises that God never made. God promised us sufficient grace to get through trouble and ultimately get beyond it, but never to go around it.
How has the church been able to pivot, if you will, in this new era, that something that we haven't seen before? And I always like to say that the church never really closed, because isn't the church us?
Absolutely. I've often been asked by my parishioners, when will the church reopen? And my response is, well, I didn't know the church had closed. The building has closed. But if the church is the people of God in community, helping to build and up and edify each other, that is still taking place. I think that we have had a brick and mortar complex that has unfortunately made the building and the church synonymous. The digital discipleship and the virtual church has been, at least from my church's perspective, St. Stephen Church, has been quite effective. We've learned the lesson that Martin Luther King tried to teach us, that we are truly in this thing together, that what affects one affects all.
Amen, sir. Thank you
Amen.
so very much.